Good morning student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came here with some interesting formula which will help you to solve multiple choice question in trigonometry chapter in a fraction of second. The formula you can see in my back, there is a formula I have written. The formula is 2 tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. It will be equal to sin 2 theta. There is a 2 theta. What is 2 theta? There, whatever be the theta value, the sine will be double of that. Sine will be double of this one. The second formula is 2 tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. It will be equal to tan theta. It will be equal to tan theta. The difference of this one and this one, here it is plus, here it is minus. So one, there is in the denominator there will be minus. It will be equal to tan 2 theta, and one there will be denominator was plus, there will equal to sin 2 theta. And the third formula is this one, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. It is equal to cos 2 theta. So see, let's see how we will use these and how we will solve this question in a fraction of second. Just hold on, I'm just giving the question so that we will see this one. Now see, the question is that evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree, and the answer will be sine. So I have just seen that, we have just seen that 2 tan square theta divided by tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So write sine and then just double this one, 45 to the 90 degree, and the sine 90 will be 1. So this one equal to 1. This one equal to 1. Now again, second question, evaluate 2 tan square 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Here the denominator is minus, so we can write that it is equal to tan 2 theta. So we can write tan and then 2 into 30 degree, that is 60 degree, and the tan 60 degree will be root 3. So this one is equal to root 3. So this one is equal to root 3. So tan square 2 tan square 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to root 3. This is the formula. See this one. See this one. Now the third formula is this one. I have just written that. See this one. I have written third formula is something like that. And the question is depend on the third formula is evaluate. Again evaluate 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. How we will evaluate this? It is equal to cos 2 theta. So it will be equal to 45 cos 2 into 45. 2 into 45 degree. So cos 90 degree, and the cos 90 is 0. So it will be equal to 1 minus tan square theta 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So for solving such types of question, there is a one thing you need to do, that you have to memorize, or you have to learn the skill to memorize the value of the all trigonometric ratio between 0 to 45. So after this I am just going to discuss how you will memorize the value of t ratio between 0 to 45. See this one. First you need to draw something like that, a diagram. Now write 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and then write after this one 0, above the 0 will be 0, above the 30 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting, you can just write that in the counting form 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all will be divided by 4. All will be divided by 4. And then just give the root over and then find the value. There is a one thing. First you need to do this one. Write 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then above the 0 there will be 0 by 4, root over 0 by 4, root over 1 by 4, root over 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. For this you start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all by 4 and then just root over all those things. Now write sine. and then write the value of this one. 0 by 4 will be 0. 1 by 4, root over 1 by 4, the value of 1 by 2. Root over 2 by 4, the value will be 1 by root 2. Root over 3 by 4, their value will be root 3 by 2, and the 4 by 4 is 1. If you are unable to solve, then write in the rough form. See this one, 1 by 4. No, the root 1 will be 1, root over 1 will be 1, and the 4 will be 2. Okay, now write 2 by 4, 2 by 4. So 1 by 2, so it will be 1 divided by root 2. Okay, now root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4. So root 3 will be written as same and the 4 will be 2. So if you are unable to solve, then write in the rough form and then write the value. Okay, now again after this what you need to do, just write cos and repeat the same value from here. First we will write 1, then we will write root 3 by 2, then we will write 1 by root 2, then we will write 1 by 2, again last will be 0. Now tan theta. Tan, how we will write the value of tan? We will divide this one into this one. This one will be this one, because tan theta is equal to sin by cos. So 0 by 1 will be 0. Now this one will be this one. So see this one, how we will write this one. In the denominator here also 2, in the denominator here also 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. First I will write 1, then I will write root 3. Because we are dividing this one, so I have written numerator. This one will be the numerator and this one will be the denominator of this fraction, and the denominator of both will be cancelled out. So x by x will be 1. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Here root 2 will be equal, denominator will be equal, so it is written as root 3 by 1. Now this one will be this one, so it will be undefined. So it will be undefined. Now for you need to draw the chord. So for cot theta, write from here. First will be undefined, second will be root 3, third will be fourth will be 1 by root 3, and the last one will be 0. Then sec, how we will write the sec? We will just reciprocal this value. Sec theta is the opposite to cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta. So we will just reciprocal of this. It will be 1 ka reciprocal 1, is ka reciprocal 2 by root 3. Now reciprocal of this one will be root 2, reciprocal of this one will be 2, reciprocal of 0 will be undefined. The reciprocal of 0 always be undefined. So for cosec, you need to write this one from here, undefined. Now 2, now root 2, now 2 by root 3, and the last one will be 1. Here is the box, and for this you need to write, and it is very easy. I will just suggest, just revise 2 to 3 times, it will be yours. There is it's how much easy is there. Just write 2 to 3 form in the box manner, and then it will be yours. Okay, so student, in my next video, today I am concluding myself here, and in my next video, just next to this one, I will solve the multiple question. I have solved multiple choice question. Now I will solve the subjective choice question of board level. So till that, just watch my video. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for giving the comments, and thanks for supporting me. Keep watching, keep supporting me. Take that. Till that, God bless you. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Take a good care of yourself.